So what you need to do if you're graphing using the x-intercept and the y-intercept, if I want to find the x-intercept, I'm going to get rid of this. And then I have 3x equals 6, and therefore x equals 2. Divide both sides by 3. And if I want to find the y-intercept, get rid of this. Now I'm left with half y equals 6, and then multiply both sides by 2 to solve for y if you like. 2 times half y is just y, and 2 times 6 is 12. So my x-intercept is at 2. My y-intercept is at 12. And then I just go ahead and graph a straight line. It is this simple, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.